going on? Today we're checking out the Cyberpowerpc. I got it from Walmart. This is the one with the Ryzen 3700X and the Nvidia 2060 video card. And we're going to open this thing up and see what the components are and try to set this thing up. And here we are with everything out of the box. We have us the Cyberpower packet. Open that and see. Comes with the LED keyboard, and it comes with the mouse, the M1-131 wired mouse, gaming mouse. One side we got the Cooler Master on top of the AMD 3700X processor. To the right we have 16 gigs of memory in 2 slots, and there's 2 open slots to expand, so that's good. We got the EVGA RTX 2060 video card. We got a couple of front fans up there. The Cooler Master fan on the processor and the rear fan. And I don't know if you can see that right there. There's the M2 port, so you can put an M2 SSD up in there. And I don't know if you can see through the cracks there, but there's a Western Digital SSD in there. And let's turn around and see what we got on the back of the computer. We got Wi-Fi, and there's the video card with the DVI and HDMI out, monitor out. There's all the ports on the back of the motherboard. And on the other side, all the wires routed pretty good. Not too bad. We got a EVGA 600 GD. And down there is the normal hard drive. Wasn't able to look in there yet to see what it is, but the top one is a Western Digital. And we got vented up top here with a USB 3 port, 2 USB 2 ports, headphones, microphone jack, power, and I think that's a reset button. And here's what came in the bag. You got your power cable, a little remote to change all the RGB lighting in the computer. We got us a Wi-Fi antenna, and the instruction manual for the motherboard, B450MA. And just more paperwork, proudly assembled in the USA. Alright, and here we are with it all loaded up. Got it cycling through the different colors right now. There's the processor cooler. Got a couple fans in the front, the fan in the rear. Got the M2 slot back there. The motherboard does light up a little bit back there. I don't know if you can see that. Got the RTX 2060 video card in there. Got 4 slots of RAM. 2 are taken up. And we got 6 SATAs. 4 empty. 2 are taken for the SSD and the hard drive. And came with this remote. So if you don't like all the colors and all that, you just turn it off, and there's that. Or you can go through all these different colors. We got like white, pink, green, orange, or we'll just put it on auto and it'll cycle through again. And I got it hooked up to this 34-inch ultra-wide monitor here. There's the keyboard it came with. LED. I think it just stays the one color. And there's the gaming mouse. It cycles through colors. I don't know if you can change that or not. The little compartment has weights in it, so you can change the way that thing weighs. But that's about it. It's running quiet. Started up no problems, and going good so far. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.